What's the meaning of autumn statement? Autumn statement. Autumn statement.
Autumn statement. Autumn statement. The Autumn Statement is an economic statement delivered by the Chancellor of the Exchequer in the UK each year, typically in November. It sets out the government's plans for taxation and spending for the coming years. The statement includes updated economic forecasts, information on the state of public finances, and measures that will be taken to improve or address any challenges in the economy. The overall goal of the Autumn Statement is to provide transparency and clarity around the government's financial plans, and to help promote economic stability and growth.